Welcome back, YouTube. Time for another video. This is a Chevy Cobalt. We're doing an air filter, and it's pretty simple, so let me get down to showing you. First thing, unclip these two clips just by pulling them away. In order to get this top piece out so that I can get a vacuum inside and make sure the air box is all nice and clean, we're going to unplug this mass airflow sensor. And we're going to take a flathead and loosen this clamp. The air box is tabbed in right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to lift this side, pull it away from the tab side, and we're going to undo this hose from the top airbox lid. Now that you have the airbox lid off, vacuum out all the junk. The new filter is obviously white. Old filter is nasty and gray blackish. Put the filter in, and now put the cover on in the reverse order after you give it a nice little cleaning. Now you're all done. So, thanks for watching. Until next time, wrench on.